The Lantern Keeper. In the heart of the Enchanted Forest, where trees whispered secrets and rivers hummed songs, lived a wise old owl named Mayer. Mayer was no ordinary owl, he was the keeper of the magic lantern. The lantern was a glowing orb that was in the heart of the tallest tree, spreading light across the forest during the darkest nights. Its magic could guide lost creatures home and even chase away fearsome shadows. One chilly evening, Mayer noticed something unusual. The lantern's light was growing dim. It no longer shone as brightly as it once did. Worried, Mayer flew to the heart of the tree and studied its glow.
The lantern's light feeds on kindness,
he muttered to himself.
Perhaps the forest creatures have forgotten the power of sharing and helping one another.
To find a solution, Mayer decided to gather the animals. He sent a soft hoot echoing through the woods, summoning everyone to the lantern tree. Soon, animals big and small arrived: Seth the squirrel, Hops the rabbit, Rusty the fox, Daisy the deer, and even tiny fireflies that flickered like stars. Mayer explained,
"The lantern's light is fading because we have forgotten the magic of sharing and kindness. To restore it, I need your help. Each of you must carry a piece of the lantern's light and share it with others in need."
But how?
asked Seth, clutching an acorn nervously.
"Watch,"
Mayer said, spreading his wings. With a single hoot, he dipped his claw into the lantern's soft glow. A small orb of light floated out and hovered before him.
"Take this light, Seth. When you see someone who needs help, share it with them."
Seth hesitated but eventually took the tiny orb. One by one, Mayer gave each animal a piece of the lantern's light.
"Remember,"
he said,
"the more you share, the brighter the light becomes."
The animals scattered into the forest, each carrying their glowing orbs. At first, they were unsure what to do. But soon, opportunities to share came in unexpected ways. Seth found Hops struggling to carry a heavy basket of carrots.
Let me help,
said Seth, sharing his light. The orb grew brighter and floated between them as they worked together. Rusty, who was known for being a bit sneaky, saw Daisy stuck in a thorny bush. Though hesitant, he offered his light to guide her out. To his surprise, the orb grew warmer in his paws, and he felt a spark of joy. Even the tiny fireflies joined in, lighting up dark paths for lost creatures. As the animals shared their light, the forest itself seemed to glow brighter. Trees shimmered with golden hues, and the rivers sparkled like liquid stars. The lantern hanging in the tallest tree began to regain its strength, shining brighter than ever before. That night, Mayer watched from his perch, his heart swelling with pride. When the animals returned to the lantern tree, their orbs had grown larger and brighter. As they placed their lights back into the lantern, it burst into a dazzling glow, spreading warmth and magic across the forest. Mayer said,
"You see, sharing your light doesn't make it smaller. It makes it stronger. When you help others, you brighten their path and your own."
From that day on, the animals of the Enchanted Forest never forgot the power of sharing and kindness. And the magic lantern, with its ever-glowing light, continued to guide them through even the darkest nights. Thanks for watching, my friends. Like, share and subscribe for more wonderful stories every Saturday and Sunday. Until then, take care.